Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I make a quick bow. So come on with me guys. Alright, so I picked up this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. It has pumpkins on it, so we're going to be using that. I'm also going to be using that white chenille stem. That was the only color I had. So we're going to make that work. Now, when you first start pulling on the ribbon, you want to decide right then and there how long you want your tails to be. And then you're going to start working the rest of the ribbon into loops. And the loops, you can decide how long you want them. So if you want them 3 inches, 4 inches, and then all of the loops will be done in the same way as you hold on to the ribbon the entire time. Now, while you're doing these loops, remember that as you get toward the end of the ribbon, you want the tail to match the first one. So as you can see here, I'm toward the end of the ribbon. All of them, the loops are pretty much the same size. So we are going to pinch, and then we are going to use the scissors to create a slit on one side, not all the way through, and a slit on the other side. And this is how we're going to join together those loops using the chenille stem. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so now we have the chenille stem holding those loops together. Now let's go ahead and create some dovetails at the end of those ribbons. Now, as we're going through each loop, okay, we want to puff that out. So we want to grab one loop, puff that out, and then twist it to the right. Then we're going to grab the second loop and then twist that to the left. And we're going to continue doing that until all of the loops are poofed up. So I think that this bow is coming out absolutely gorgeous. Only took minutes to make, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.